A small valve can impact the entire system. A ball valve controls flow using a rotating ball. Align it, flow passes. Turn it, flow stops. This is a brass mini ball valve, compact but built for full shut-off performance. Used in water lines, plumbing, and industrial systems requiring reliable isolation. A 90-degree lever ensures quick open and close operation. Made from high-quality brass for strength, corrosion resistance, and long service life. PTFE seats and EPDM seals ensure tight sealing and smooth operation. Chrome-plated body with aluminium handle ensures durability and easy handling. Available in multiple thread types and sizes, from poor quality valves lead to leakage and pressure loss. A precision-engineered valve ensures consistent performance and reliability. Choose the right component for your system.